Hey guys, welcome to my video. I'm going to be trying Japanese snacks and astronaut ice cream today. So, I already popped this drink open instead of drinking some of it, but I'll still do it. And I already opened up my ice cream. So the first thing we're going to try is Super Cola. I think it's Japanese, I don't know. It's white. That doesn't mean a good thing. Right. So, it's sour. 3, 2, 1. My tongue burns. So, tastes like Coca-Cola. It's Asian. This is Asian food. It said, yeah, Asian food. Product of Japan. Never mind. Japan. There's powder inside. Shaw powder. What is Shaw powder? Look at the photos they show. And look at these people enjoying it. Look at life girl. Look. It's literally like fizzing. You can barely see that, but it is fizzing. Yeah, it's fizzing inside. Okay, so next thing we're gonna try is this ice cream, this face ice cream, astronaut ice cream. And it is chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. Sounds good. Not a big fan of chocolate ice cream though. We'll see. Okay. It's literally blocks of dry ice cream because it is dry ice cream. I got it out, a store. And it wasn't in the fridge or nothing big. Because there's literally nothing in big except for the planets in that. So, chocolate. When it gets wet, oh my god, no. Okay. Don't try the chocolate. Dang it, I missed the bag. Dang it, this has chocolate all over it. Oh well. This is vanilla. Tastes like milk went wrong. Literally done. Strawberry. I have a good feeling about this because anything that's really strawberry, like Hi-Chews, this Japanese candy that I love called Hi-Chews, but I didn't want to get it at the place that I got it from because like they were like $5.99 for like one bag, and it was like, in a real grocery store, like an American grocery store, it's like, $2. So this is strawberry. Strawberry is the best. Literally. Strawberry yogurt. Or not ice cream, but yeah, it's ice cream. Okay. So it said freeze-dried ice cream, chocolate vanilla, and strawberry base food. Ready to eat? Milk fat? No. Cocoa. They use cocoa for the thing. The space tree is frozen from -40 degrees. Wait, they probably stuck in dry ice to dry it. I don't know. It's literally falling over my floor. Where's my sister? Where's my mom when I need her? Ugh. Okay. Next thing, ice cream sandwich. Woo-hoo. Whoa. Wrapped like an life. Wrapped like an ice cream sandwich. Looks like an ice cream sandwich. But does it taste like an ice cream sandwich? What's that? Oh. Okay. Here. Nice and stuck together. That tastes better. You know it's literally chocolate and vanilla. And then tastes better than the chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. When I was buying these, I was like, you're making your money on junk. Right. Okay, so, I already know what this tastes like. So, what it comes with, so you open it, right? Oh, it just falls right out. Perfect. Okay, so, just gonna do a little demonstration, but like, not gonna work. So it comes like this, and it comes, and it, but you have to pop this thing out. So it comes like this, literally like this, with this wrapper. There, that's how it comes. I don't know where the other piece is. So this is how it comes. So you take that part off, and then you see this. So usually this is like inside to where you have to pop it out. So we popped it out. Then there's a marble that is already inside, stuck at the top. You have to get this, push it really hard, and get it in. So I got strawberry, so I'm just gonna drink it because it's really good. So. I don't know how many spills I gotten on me. So yes, this was my video. Make sure you go and check out these products if you want to try them yourself. And make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And subscribe. And also be safe playing Pokemon Go. Bye!